Hi friends, in this video we are going to know about equations of uniformly accelerated motion. There are three equations. The first equation is v is equal to u plus at, and the second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now let us solve the first equation, that is v is equal to u plus at. This equation is also called as velocity time relation. Now let us solve this equation. We know the formula for acceleration is uniform acceleration, and acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Change in velocity, the formula for change in velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity. Upon time. So here final velocity is denoted with v and initial velocity is denoted with u. Upon time is t. We know that acceleration is a. Now by cross multiplying this equation we will get v minus u is equal to a t. Now take this negative u to that side, then v is equal to u plus a t. This is the first equation of motion. Hence we have proved. Let us take the second equation, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So we know the average velocity, formula for the average velocity is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity by 2. Average velocity is denoted with symbol v average, which is equal to final velocity is denoted with v and initial velocity is u upon 2. Let it be equation number 1. And the total distance travelled, formula for the total distance is equal to average velocity into time. So distance is denoted with symbol s, which is equal to average velocity v average into t. See, from equation 1 v average is equal to v plus u by 2. Now substitute here s is equal to v plus u by 2 into t. See, we got s is equal to v average into t. We have substituted u v plus u by 2 into t. Since we know from first equation v is equal to u plus a t. Now substitute here in the place of v. So s is equal to u plus a t plus u by 2 into t, which is equal to u plus u is equal to 2u plus at by 2 into t. Now divide the denominator for each of the terms. So 2u by 2 plus at by 2 into t. Now s is equal to 2 will be get cancelled. Now multiply the here t into inside. So u into t ut plus a t into t t square. So a t square by 2. This can also be written as s is equal to ut plus half a t square. Hence we got the second equation. This is also called as the distance time relation. Now let us prove the third equation of motion, that is nothing but v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is also called as velocity distance relation. Now see, we know the equation, first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Now squaring on both sides, v square is equal to u plus at whole square. Now apply here, we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply this formula here. V square is equal to u square plus 2 u a t plus a square t square. So which is equal to, take u to this side. So v square minus u square is equal to 2 u a t plus a square t square. Now v square minus u square is equal to, take 2 as common here. So 2, take 2a as common, then remaining terms ut plus, see, 1a went to as common, so a t square, 2 has taken as common, so divide 2. Since here we know from the second equation, s is equal to ut plus half a t square. Now in the place of ut plus half a t square we can write s. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Hence we have proved the third equation. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.